Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you will learn how to manage cost centers in TallyPrime. TallyPrime's Cost Center management helps you track costs and aids in cost analysis. Let's start with Cost Center creation. Select Create. Type and select Cost Center. Now, you can see a message asking you to activate the Cost Centers feature. Press Y to enable the feature. Here's a quick info. A cost center can be a department, a function, or a unit for which you want to track the cost, and even the revenues associated with it. Let's take a simple example of the marketing department and finance department as cost centers. Type the name. Select Primary. Press Enter and accept. Similarly, let's create another cost center. Next, let's create a sub-cost center. Mention the name. Group it by selecting Marketing Department. This way, you can group cost centers in a hierarchy. Press ESC to go back. In case you wish to create multiple cost centers at once instead of one after another, select Chart of Accounts, then Cost Center. Press Alt+H for Multi-Masters, and then select Multi-Create. The next step is to enable cost centers for the required ledgers. To enable them, press A for Alter. Select Ledgers. Choose the ledger you want. Make sure cost centers are applicable is set to Yes. If you cannot see this option, press F12 and enable Apply Cost Centers for ledgers. Now, let's record transactions and allocate the expenses to cost centers. Press V for vouchers. Press F5 for payment voucher. Select your bank or cash ledger. Then select the expense ledger. Enter the amount. On the cost allocation screen, select the department where the expense was incurred. You can also split the amount between multiple cost centers. For example, let's split the amount between the marketing department and the finance department. Press Enter to accept the allocation. Now enter the bank details. Finally, accept and save the voucher. Once the voucher is saved, the expense will be allocated to the selected cost center. You can repeat the same process for other transactions and assign them to different cost centers whenever needed. Using cost centers helps you track department-wise expenses, analyze business costs more effectively, and generate detailed reports for better financial management. And that's it. This is how you can use Cost Center in TallyPrime. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.